Assalamu alaikum pretty viewers, how have you been? I hope you are having great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, I am having fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is MD Franto, who is the English learner. As you can see, today I have come here in my mustard field. As you can see, this is mustard plant and there are several types of mustard flowers. Actually, this is my land and today I have come here because I have a reason. The water is being farmed by the water farm on this mustard land. That's why I have come this field. Actually, few minutes ago I was sitting another field and I was thinking I should make a video because I'm English learner. I cannot but speak in English. That's why at this moment I'm sitting beside my mustard field. At the same time, I'm speaking in English and making video so that I can improve my English pronunciation as well as I can show you how am I improving my English pronunciation though I am living in a countryside area. Although every day I'm enhancing my English skills. To be honest, this is really fascinating when I make video and practice in English. And there is no way to enhance my English pronunciation without speak in English every day. In my country, many educated person they have completed their graduation, but they cannot speak in English because they are not used to speaking English. That's why they cannot do that. But they know every kinds of vocabularies, grammatical structure. Even they listen native English speaker speech, but they cannot speak in English. That's why they are not fluent in English. But I'm not a well educated person, but I'm still speaking in English in front of you as a fluent speaker. Though my English level is not good at, but I'm, I am attempting, but I attempt to enhance my English skills, and I believe one day I will be a good at English speaker, but it will take lots of time and I will never give up until I become a good at English speaker. So as you can see, this is mustard field and at this moment the water is being pumped on this mustard field by the water farmed. Though I was supposed to pump the water on this field before couple of days ago, but I didn't have enough time. That's why today I have managed time and I have come here to do that. And today is Friday, that's why I feel free. Not only I have come here to pump the water on this field, but also my uncle come here with me because my this mustard field opposite side who has a field and who would like to give also the water on his own wheat field. So no wait today, see you again, Marcy. Pray for me. As you can see at this moment I am sweating because today weather is scorching. As a result, as you can see, Marcy pray for me so that I can become a fluent English speaker.